etorri Vermintide bi honetara eta gaurko partida berezitxo bat ekarriko dizuet, lehendabizi. A ver, gauzatxoak.
I've spent all morning sorting out the stock cupboard. Least you can do is take a look at these new wares.
Ez dago ezer gehiago. Kasu honetan joango gara. Igoko dugu nivela txapeldun modura. Nire jugatu botekin, hasen moduz moldatzen garen nivel honetan eta horrela praktika hartzen joateko.
Getting a bit concerned about Castle Drakenfels again. Seems the Packsworn are making free with the place, and there are reports of folk going missing in the nearby villages. Sort it out, would you? Trouble at Drakenfels is trouble we don't need.
Ea zer gertatzen da eta zer moduz moldatzen garen. Hemen gertatuko dena, isla da hori zuzen izango da ediziorik eta ez gabe. Ez realistagoa izan dadin. Ea kargatzen duen. Badirudi lag desente daukala. Ipotxa, Markus eta Victor.
Come along, Dringbarazzi! We need to reach Bloodberg before it's too late.
Alas, we may already be too late.
We'll do our best, I'm sure. And we'll follow all the way to Drakenfels.
The foe is here before us. Let's see what they've prepared.
Bueno, jendea sartzen bada hobeto. Hemen, era netzako praktika. Zartatik nuen botekin zergatik. Ez partida.
Head to the temple. We'll grab the map and take it from there.
Yeah, that rattling's done for. Vile pigs! Look out!
The gods are returning. We should not be found wanting. Look at that. You actually hit something.
Easy pickings for you. Full lift, Dory. You ready? I'll give you one for free.
Have a care.
Iggy Raggy dead and gone. Keep going, Raggy, you might. Come on, Dory.
There's work
No, that's
powder
right.
on the wind. A gunner is
Ahí,
close.
Don't see how anyone can bring you. We've a leash by the sound of it. Leeches no more.
Goazen gora. Ni hemen gauzak non dauden ez dakidala.
That's the rattling gonna die.
Goazen aurre.
This way. Over here. Roger, strike. Yes! Good shot, Tricolazzi!
The taste is worse than the smell.
Here's a portion, Dory. Ha ha! You fight with a dwarf, monkey!
Work fire!
Oh, mighty!
Dia utzi.
Take your best shot! Go on, hit me harder!
Black fire! On its way!
Vampire! Bless his mother! on everywhere, Barney. Shots fire! I'm a threat!
Too many of them.
There are survivors. They'll be interacting. Sweet Rumney's Lord of Kizar!
No, lo voy a hacer. Ahora.
If only we'd been here earlier, Tringlerati.
If the map is here, we will find it.
We'll be fine, so long as the dead stay dead. Get down here and help out.
Oh, that a man!
You don't fear returning to the domain of the great enchanter, One-Eye?
He is nothing but a tale, an excuse for wickedness, rather than a real adversary.
Aye, true enough. I've never heard a story about Drakenfell that matches the historical record.
Close up! Don't worry, get separated!
They seek the storm.
Close up! We've got plague monks coming in! Perish me! Eyes open! Tightly! Come on! Go on! Again! I can take it!
Chaos Warrior, just what we needed.
So manage all enemies. Fighting and fail alike.
You got the reach, good fellows!
Look at that archer.
Your side has claimed the Chaos Warrior.
See that? Assassin's coming!
The assassin meets a deserved death. The
Vamos a
gunrat
embora.
comes for us.
Not bad for a fellow with one eye!
Sigmar guides my strike.
If only he taught you to hold a sword, Body and soul!
Seven, hack him down.
Oh, I'll pay you for that! Blood everywhere!
Yeah, he's getting more. I'll have a guns. Bag rentals. Yeah, fuck.
Chaos Warrior.
Come here, was it? A lovely thought. Ah, my grandmother hit harder than that. Ah, no, chap. You also
Bueno,
Faces
va
together, stay close. We'll bring that right, Stormer. Take up the bonfire, thrower! I'll block them. Blackie Black, sir.
Oh, we've been here before, haven't we?
Assassin! Showing your true colours, Elf!
Hold on, mayflies. I'm going to drink.
Vale.
Fire that! See? Over there!
Keep the strangler back and kill it!
The vile perversion approaches, neither man nor beast.
Torch sighted as well.
Right here! Someone give me a... Okay! Good golly, Dorrington! Kill them all! Hey, here's where the action is! Still here? Just take a swing! Holmes, another black fur! Close it up, these heads out! Almost Northlander!
A rot elf is clumsier than you, mayflies.
Medical supplies at last! Good story! Find the thirsty one! It's up there!
I need a moment.
Stop shifting in Carillion! As soon as do me, this is about to get messy. Maelstrom, black, black. Don't let us drag you down, Glory! Oi! Over here! Try again! Harder!
Bueno, va a ser.
Fire that!
Gutter runner! Not enough!
There's danger in the dark.
That black rat's mine! Let's start with something obvious, like that gate, and a way past it.
One moment. I'm pretty sure that's marked on the map.
Ouais.
Ah, that's... Or...
These are blasphemous statues. Seal the entrance.
Into the suspicious looking passage, right? No! Oh, this don't feel right to me. So much for that assassin! Healing draft for you!
Oh, bollocks, it's still not brandy.
Well, let's hope this works. Look the end, Maggie. The demon, is it? Oh, I've always wanted to crack it full of those. Kazaki Gomor!
Over there, Lumberfoots. Sail.
Come on then, we'll have ya!
Right.
That's sure.
Leave Vernon. Hell on sight. Finish me if you dare.
Rise, Matilda. If it comes down here. Northern slaver!
Whose side are you on?
Got you a strike!
Darkness! Pressing in.
Know that sound?
Traffic stuff!
Cannot hide!
I killed the hook rat!
Ah! A lucky swing!
Come on, then! Nothing to decay! That's all you've got! That's all you've got! See that? You around? Reckon I can take it? That's nothing! Training, that's all!
Ay, caca.
Someone give me a feel! Yeah, man! Come on, the look of you! You stink stronger than you try! Gas! The gas! Poison rat dead!
Listen.
From one side here, it's be embarrassing.
Play it quickly!
It's for the hunt.
He killed the lead!
I can't fight much longer.
The hole!
I was...
Play back! I'm over here! I'm a royal! This whole room here! Okay, I'm still standing! Do it proper!
That's a hook rat.
Hurry up, Story! Right here! Give me a good shot! Oh, nothing off! Try again!
Joder.
You're right. Goodbye.
More storm shots coming in!
Hacen.
The way to the hunt. We can return left.
Rocky no now, is it? Ah! Come on! I'll give you one for free! There's more room here! Now my grandmother hits harder than that!
I guess they want more points.
Audacity and Agamemnon!
Bueno, erakzi dugu. Bueno, lagunok hau izan da den, espero gustoko izan zaizure, dorrengoan gehiago.